Abacus classes.
Good evening students, welcome back. I hope you all are safe at home. So stay home, stay safe. Welcome to the Abacus classes. I am your Abacus teacher, Miss Garima Singh. So students, our today's topic is multiplication by 7, or you can say multiplication with 7. Kids, in my previous video, multiplication by 7 you have done without using the small friends. So kids, our today's topic is multiplication by 7 with the help of small friends. Means you will do today's multiplication sums with the help of small friends formula. Kids, the small friends formula I have told you to write in your Abacus notebook. I hope kids all have written these formulas in their Abacus notebook. Kids, there are addition and subtraction formulas. Subtraction formulas I have not written because we will not use them. We will use only the addition ones like plus 4, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1. Kids, with my previous video, I have also given you one practice PDF. मेरी पुरानी वीडियो के साथ मैंने आपको एक practice PDF भी दी थी. I hope you have done that PDF in your Abacus notebook. I hope कि आपने वो PDF अपनी Abacus notebook में की होगी. So, now we will start our today's topic with the first sum. But before starting the sum, you can see the Abacus tool here. Kids, one quick revision of the Abacus tool. As you can see, I have only drawn the 3 rods. मैंने सिर्फ 3 rods बनाई हैं. This is the mid rod. ये आपकी बीच की rod है, which is called units rod or ones rod. आप इसे units rod भी कह सकते हैं and ones rod भी. Just besides the units rod is the tens rod, and just besides the tens rod is the hundreds rod. You always do the calculation in these 3 rods only. And from where you start your calculation? You start your calculation from this hundreds rod. From here. First of all in this rod, then this, and this is the mid rod. So kids, I hope you know this and we have done our quick revision. Now we will come to our topic, which is multiplication by 7 with the help of small friends. So let's start with our first sum. Our first sum is 65 into 7. Now kids, some things will be as it is before, means same. Like first of all you will multiply the first digit with 7. 6 into 7. 6 sevens are or 7 six are. Please learn the dodging. 7 six are 42. Now as always I say, this number will go in hundreds rod and this number will go in tens rod. So let's add. See, 4 we have to do in hundreds rod. Now when you have to add any number in Abacus tool, अगर आपको कोई भी number Abacus tool में add करना है, then you put the beads up. And if you have to subtract, अगर आपको subtract करना है, so you put the beads down. Add, subtract. Add up, subtract down. Add up, subtract down. So here you have to add 4, means you have to put the beads up. Now 4 means you have to put the 4 beads up. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have put 4 beads up in hundreds rod. Now next is 2. 2 you have to put in tens rod. See, this is your tens rod. 2 means 2 beads up. 1, 2. Students, I am doing on board. You have to do in your abacus tool. The best method to learn this is just play my video, put the abacus tool in front of you and do with me. As I rub here, as I put the beads up, you have to do this in your abacus tool. If you will do with me, you can easily do these sums and you can learn the abacus. So kids, 42 we have added. I hope you all are doing in your abacus tool with me. Very nice. Now multiply the next number with 7. 5 into 7. 7 5s are 35. This 3 will go in tens rod and 5 will go in ones rod. This we always do, just learn it. The first number will go in hundreds rod, then the second in tens rod, and if you get a double digit, means 2-digit number here, then the first number will go in tens rod and second number will go in ones rod. This learn it. So 3 we will add in tens rod. Now you can see students that there is only 2 beads. See 1, 2 and you have to add 3. यहाँ सिर्फ 2 beads हैं, देख सकते हैं आप. 2 I have done up already, so only 2 beads are there and you have to add 3. Now how you will add 3 if only 2 beads are there? Now this is the condition when you will use your small friends. आप ये वो कंडीशन है जब आप अपने स्मॉल फ्रेंड्स का यूज करेंगे. सो फॉर एडिंग 3, अगर आपको 3 ऐड करना है, सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. सी नाउ व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? +5 - 2. Now if you have to add 3 and the bead is not there, अगर आपको 3 को ऐड करना है and bead नहीं है. Students, these type of questions you have done in your 3rd class, 4th class, 2nd class also. Means you have used the small friends, means you are using the small friends formulas from your 2nd class, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. So it's very easy for you, I think so. Now you have to add 3. Now how you will add 3? See, first of all do +5. आपको पहला क्या काम करना है? +5. So add 5. For adding 5, what you have to do? Put the 5 bead down. आपको इस 5 bead को नीचे कर देना. First of all, the 5 beads are up, means upper beads up. For adding 5, you have to put the 5 bead down. Now next what you have to do? -2. -2. For minus, what you have to do? I have told you, up, add, minus, down. So put the 2 beads down. And your 3 is added. आपका 3 add हो गया. Nothing you have to do. Again I will repeat, students. Here you have to add 3 but bead is not there. आपको जब 3 ऐड करना था तो bead नहीं थी. Then you have taken the help of small friends formula. The small friend formula was +5 - 2, as you can see there. Now what is the meaning of +5 - 2? Means first of all you have to add 5. आपको 5 ऐड करना है. Then you have to -2, means आपको 2 को माइनस कर देना है. So here, as you have to add this 3 in tens rod, so you have done all the calculation in this tens rod. See, first of all you have added 5, then you have -2 and your 3 is added. Nothing more you have to do. अब आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. Now next is your 5. You have to add 5 in ones rod. 5 means put this 5 bead down. So now this is your answer. Now count it. See, in this hundreds rod it is 1, 2, 3, 4. In this, see, nothing is there. They are all down, so we will not count them. This is added, 5 is down, 5. And this 5 5. So this is your answer. Students, the bead which touches the bar. This is the bar. जो बीड्स इस बार को टच करती हैं हम उन्हें ही काउंट करते हैं. See, they are all stick to each other and they are touching this bar, so we will count them. See, these are down and they are not touching the bar, so we will not count them. See, these are touching the bar. ये इस बार को टच कर रही है, means ये इस लाइन को टच कर रही है, so we will count them. The beads which will touch this bar, or we can say the line in the easy words, only those beads we will count. And those beads which are up or down, which are not touching this bar, we will not count them. Is it fine for you kids? Very nice. Students, it is taking time because I am doing on the board. It will be very quick if you will do in your abacus tool. So, our answer is 455. Now, let's move to our next sum. Set your abacus, students. Upper beads up and lower beads down. Now your second sum, students. 97 into 7. Now as usual, you do multiply the first digit with 7. Now 9 into 7 is 9 sevens are or 7 nines are 63. The first digit will go in hundreds rod and the second one will go in tens rod. So let's put now 6 in hundreds rod. Now how you will make 6? See, 6 is the combination of 5 and 1. Obviously, if you will do 4 beads up, it will not make 6. ये 6 नहीं बनाएगा. So put the 5 bead down. So this is 5 and we want 6. So put 1 bead up. See students, now it is 6. 5, 6. 5, 6. Are you getting it? Very nice. And they both are touching this line, or we can say bar. Now add 3 in tens rod. See, tens rod, add 3. Add means put the beads up. So 1, 2, 3. We have done 3 beads up. Now this is completed. Now multiply your next digit with 7. 7 sevens are 49. Now 49, now this will go in tens rod and this will go in ones rod. Now you can see kids, 4 you have to add in tens rod. Now 4 you have to add in this rod. But you can see only 1 is there left out. So 1 hai and you have to add 4. So now there is lack of beads. I have told you that wherever you will get lack of beads, you will use small friends. So here you have to add 4 in this tens rod, but the bead is not there, only 1 is there and you have to add 4. So for adding 4, you will use this small friend. Plus 4 is equals to plus 5 minus 1. This formula you will use for plus 4. Now, how you will do plus 4? Some students use this and they say, is 4 is added? Yes. If you will follow this, first of all plus 5, then minus 1. After that you have to do nothing. Your 4 is already added. Means for adding 4, first of all you will do plus 5. Now in tens rod, plus 5. Plus 5 means 5 bead down. Done? Now you will do minus 1. For minus, you have to put the bead down. So 1 bead down. Are you doing with me kids? Very nice. Now plus 5. Done. Minus 1. 1 beat down, done. So now you have done this. Now your 4 is added. Nothing you have to do. You have used this formula, you have done plus 5, then you have done minus 1, then you have to do nothing, your 4 is added already. Now you will go for 9. 9 in 1's rod. So 9 means put the 5 beat down. Now this is 5, we have to add 9. So for 9, 5, then one more beat, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this all beats we have done up. Means for 9, what you have to do? You have put the 5 beat down and 4 beats up. 5 beat down, 4 beats up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now your sum is completed. You have done this. Now count. See, here is 5, 6. Now here is 5, 6, 7. And here is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is your answer. So now we will move to our next sum. Set your abacus. Upper beats up, lower beats down. Now our third sum is 22 into 7. Now as you always do, multiply the first number with 7. 2 sevens are 14. Now this will go in hundreds rod, this will go in tens rod. So in hundreds rod add 1. 1 adding means put the 1 beat up. Done? Very nice. Now next is add 4 in tens rod. 4 means put the 4 beats up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done? Very nice. Now multiply this next number with 7. 2 sevens are 14. Now this will go in tens, this will go in ones rod. Now 1 you have to add in tens rod. And you can see that in tens rod no beat is there to add. All we have added, 4 we have added up. So no beat is there. Now again we will get lack of beats. अब हमारे पास beats की कमी हो गई है. So what we will use? We will go for small friends. We will take the help of small friends. So for plus 1, what is the formula? Plus 5 minus 4. So first of all you will do plus 5. Plus 5 means 5 beat down. Plus 5, so you have added 5. You have put the 5 beat down. Now minus 4. Minus 4. See, minus 4. Minus 4 means put the 4 beats down. As for minus, you put the beats down. Done, kids? Very nice. See, plus 5. You have put the 5 beat down. You have added 5. Now for minus 4, you have put the 4 beats down, because for minus put the beats down. So 4 you have minus. Now your 1 is added. Nothing you have to do now. Plus 5 done. Minus 4 done in tens rod, and your 1 is added. Now you will go for this ones. This 4. You have to add 4. 4 means put the 4 beats up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats up. Now count. See, here is 1. Here is, see, only 5. Other beads are down, so we will not count them. 5. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is your answer. Are you getting, kids? Wherever you will get lack of beads, you have to use this small friends formula, and you will do plus 5 minus 4 and your 1 is added. Same way, if you are getting the lack of beads and you have to add 3, then you will do plus 5 minus 2 and your 3 will get added. This way you can do the other sums also. Now we will go for our next sum. Set your abacus, kids. Upper beads up and lower beads down. Now your next sum, 94 into 7. Kids, it is taking time because you have not learned this method or the small friends formula. When you will learn it, practice it again and again with the sums which I give you, you can easily do these sums very fastly in the tool. But students, it needs practice. As I always says, the more you practice, the better the results. So you have to practice it. You can very fastly you can solve your mathematical calculations. So first of all, multiply the first digit with 7. So 9 into 7 is 63, and you know that you start your calculation from hundreds rod. So first of all the number in hundreds rod, then tens rod. Now 6 you have to add in hundreds rod. For 6, first of all add 5. 5 and 1 from down, and this is 6. Done, kids, in hundreds rod. Very nice. Now you have to add 3 in tens rod. 3 means 3 beads up. For adding you have to put the beads up. 1, 2, 3. Done. Now multiply the next number with 7. 4 into 7, 28. Now for 28, this number will go in tens rod and this will go in ones rod. Now 2 you have to add in tens rod. Now you can see that you have to add 2. You have to add 2, but the bead is not there. There is only one bead. सिर्फ एक बीड है आपके पास and you have to add 2. Now you will use the small friend formula, which is plus 5 minus 3. Yes, plus 5 minus 3. Because you have to add 2 and the bead is not there. There is lack of beads. So you will use the small friends formula, or you can say you will take the help of small friends formula. Now first of all you will have to add 5. See, add 5. So add 5. Then you have to minus 3. Minus 3 means put the 3 beads down. And your 2 is added. Nothing you have to do now. Just follow the formula and your 2 is added. First of all, what you have done? Plus 5. See, plus 5. Put the 5 bead down. Then you have to do minus 3. Minus 3 means we have put the 3 beads down and your 2 is added. Now it is 8. You have to add 8 in ones rod. For 8, first of all add 5. Then 6, 7, 8. See, I am rubbing it because it is board. You will do in abacus tool. You can do it very quickly. 5, 6, 7, 8. For adding 8, what we have done? 5 bead down, 3 beads up. 5 bead down, 3 beads up. So it is 5, 6, 7, 8. This we have done. And your sum is added. First is 5, 6. Second is only 5. And the last is 5, 6, 7, 8. and this is your answer. Is it fine, kids? Very nice. I hope students you like my today's video. With this video I have given you one practice PDF. In some sums you will get lack of beads, you will use small friends formula. Rest of the sums you can do it normally where you will not get lack of beads. So kids, please use the abacus tool, as you will practice it again and again, you will get it very easily. So I hope you like my today's video. Just stay fit and healthy. Make sure you watch every single video and stay tuned to learn more. Thank you.
Practice the sums in Abacus notebook. Like and subscribe the video. Thank you.